How to make faster and better business decisions. Your success is largely determined by the choices you make. So why aren't more people equipped with useful decision-making skills? Learn how to improve yours, and watch your business grow. Keep in mind that every decision you make goes back to focusing on your vision and goals. Every time you make a tough choice, consider the choice that supports the vision. Below are 5 tips for better decision-making. 1. Find a solution to a decision-making problem by asking a successful person you trust. Once you share and brainstorm the information, you can make connections you never saw before. Select your advisors wisely to help you make decisions beyond your experience level. 2. Stop the perfectionism cycle. Instead of seeking impossible perfection, you'll often need to take the leap first without having all the answers. Then simply trust that you're on the right path. 3. Don't overthink it. Learn to turn your overactive mind off for a while. Often your insight can come when you least expect it. By keeping your thoughts quiet, you may switch to a new thought process that will result in a different outcome. 4. Admit it when you make a mistake. If your decisions steer you wrong, fess up, correct the error, and move on. Even making the wrong decision will help you learn something. And when you admit to yourself and others that you were wrong, you gain respect for being humble, honest, and real. 5. Don't try to solve a problem, simply decide. The decision can help solve a problem, but not every problem can be solved by making a decision. Instead, decision-making often relies more on intuition than over-analysis. The solution often comes from your gut reaction, or what feels like the right decision.